Aquifer Storage and Recovery, or ASR, is a strategy to stretch Austin's existing supplies and help meet Austin Water's needs by storing water in a natural aquifer for later use. This strategy was included in our Water Forward plan. In 2022, we connected with the community through workshops and meetings to share information about ASR and get feedback. Based on your valuable feedback, we'd like to answer the top 4 questions we've received about Austin's ASR project. Question number 1. Why is Austin Water pursuing ASR instead of other strategies?
So Austin's 100-year water resource plan does include other strategies such as strong conservation programs and reuse of wastewater and other supply strategies in addition to ASR. However, Aquifer Storage and Recovery allows us to store a significant amount of water using our existing water rights with fewer impacts compared to other supply strategies. Austin's ASR project will not take native groundwater, but instead will store Austin's existing water supplies for later use.
Question number 2. How will Austin protect water that has been stored in the ASR? And how will that look on the surface?
To protect water stored in the ASR, we will need to manage the land over the stored water. Other ASR projects, for example, have purchased the land to protect it and lease that land back to farmers and ranchers for agricultural use.
Question number 3. How will ASR affect the aquifer?
An active ASR project will cause local variation in the water supplies as water is being stored and recovered. However, Austin is required to put more water into the aquifer than we'll take out, so the net impact will be positive. Additionally, extensive water quality testing will be performed prior to implementation of the project. Water coming into and out of the ASR will be tested and conditioned to protect Austin's drinking water supply as well as the native aquifer, wildlife, and the environment.
Question number 4. How will the ASR project address possible impacts and benefit nearby communities?
Well, based on what we've heard from the community outreach that we've engaged so far, we've got several strategies. The first of which will be lowering local wells, neighboring wells that may be impacted by the ASR operation. The second would be to work on strategies that will allow property owners to continue agricultural use for the properties that may be in the vicinity of the ASR project. And then finally, fund and continue more monitoring and research into the impacts of ASR operation on the local groundwater. As we continue to work through the project and work with the community, as we know more about a specific location, more strategies may emerge in that we can actually use to help.
Thank you for sharing your feedback with us throughout the past year. The comments we've received so far are being factored into the analysis to help identify a preferred ASR pilot project location. We expect to select an ASR pilot project location by the end of 2023 and will have additional opportunities for community engagement as we wrap up this phase of the project. In the meantime, stay tuned and continue to visit our website at speakupaustin.org/ASR to request a presentation from our team, ask questions, and learn more.